Welcome back. First and foremost, I want to thank Shlisa Shell for sending me this huge packet or package. Now, before I get to the unboxing, which I'm curious to see, I'm glad my daughter Darlene is here to shoot my video, which doesn't happen that often. But before we get to the box, let's get to my beer. And today I'm having Stone Viking Space Pro Double IPA. Unfiltered Double IPA. Cheers, Shlisa Shell. Very good, man. I like the taste. Very cloudy with a little bit of sediment. All right, folks. Let's get to my box from Shlisa Shell. It's been a while since I got something from Shlisa Shell. I think the last time she sent me a little wooden piece of cedar with my name on it. But let's get to the unboxing. All right. Here's a vessel of amber fluid. Whoa, oh, man, I thought it was beer. Pretty cool from Red Day Renegade sticker. This is nice, man. This is a root beer, yeah. This is the only beer Shlisa Shell drinks. Root beer, IBC. All right. Thank you, Shlisa Shell. Contents: 1 beer and stump. Whoa. Wow. This is pretty cool right here. Check out that stump with that moss on it. Check that out, y'all. I got me my own beer stump. Check that out. Okay, that's pretty cool, Shlisa. Thank you very much. I like that, man. Let me read my note. Dear Nathan, here's a beer stump centerpiece for your outdoor table and beer reviews. Perfect, man. Excellent, Lisa. It has a coat of polyurethane spray to hold the green color of the moss. It should keep very well outside for years to come. Cheers, my friend, and keep it burning, Shlisa Shell, that a fatwood queen. P.S. Sorry about the packaging. No problem. And here is her sticker, the Fatwood Queen, Shlisa Shell. Got Fatwood, anybody? Maybe I should put it right there. Yeah, that's perfect right there. I'll find a way to stick it right there. Once again, Thank you very much, Shlisa Shell, man. I really appreciate that. That's very nice, man. Thank you, Shlisa. Alright, folks. I'll leave a link to Shlisa Shell in the description box. Check her out. Give her a sub if you like what you see. See you guys in the next video. Cheers.